Alright everyone, welcome to episode 140 something of the castle, where I have decided to deny myself breakfast until I have moved at least one load of stone every morning in order to motivate myself to keep going. Here we have the first load of the day, and the sun just woke up. I got up before the sun, now the sun is up.
I'm sleeping in a tree by the beach, sipping water and eating.
Now I've got to take this load of stone all the way over there to that tiny little dot on the horizon. Alright, the tide is right on the doorstep. I can see it's about to seep over and get in here. So I'm going to try and move as many stones from here to the top of there before tide completely swallows us. Alrighty, here we have the ocean coming in. It's making its way at the pace of a snail across this little desert. Eventually it's going to get there. We might be able to get one more load in before we get wet feet.
A beach, happily contented in my dreams. Everything is not what it seems.
Alright, we've got load number 2 for the morning. I'll take it all the way back over there again. So I guess we'll just oh, tide's coming in. Well, that's all we can do without getting completely wet, which I might risk anyway. But we've got 2 more loads, just a measly 2.
6, 7, 8, 9. Grab the cheese and pour the wine. 6, 7, 8, 9. Soon the way will slow the time. 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. In the rocks I just unwind. 6, 7, 8, 9. Inside they're slowly dying. 6, 7, 8, 9. Happy that I gave up crying. 6, 7, 8, 9. I'd rather build a castle than play your games and waste my time. A graveyard of broken.
Alrighty, time to deliver load number 4 all the way across the little tiny ocean.
Broken dreams of childhoods free of fiends, the place where people wonder, now just a morgue of screams. They buy a house so they don't have to rent, but then they pay the rates. It's the same stupid time name, but with a different name. When we were younger, we had no limits. Then school it chained us all, dreams it inhibits. They made.
Alrighty, this is load number 5, and I found a big old chunk of iron we can make into a sword later, and some sticks.
Us into robots. They took our souls away. They took what made us human.
Here we have a dodgy tinted window van. Definitely not suspicious. Oh, the tinted window van has been spotted and is retreating. A little ferry turn parked on my little post over there. Look at him just chilling out there. He looks so chill. He's like, I got this post all to myself.
And then put it in the grave. They tell us to trust them, then put cameras everywhere. Your cell phone spying on you and you don't even care. One day you'll be a slave again because you did nothing instead of saying no and maybe doing something. 6, 7, 8, 9. Grab the cheese and pour the wine. 6, 7, 8, 9. Soon the way will slow the time. 6, 7, 8, 9.
It's load number 6.
6, 7, 8. In the rocks I just unwind.
Alrighty, the ocean's a little deeper and we've still got to cross it with our load. So that's the plan, to take all of this across the ocean and put it there. Boop.
6, 7, 8, 9. Inside they're slowly dying. 6, 7, 8, 9. That I gave up crying. 6, 7, 8, 9. I'd rather build a castle than play your games and waste my time. Once upon a time, upon a beach in the sand, there was a pile of stones brought about by a man. A silly little helmet and a silly little crown made of real gold. Waste of money, too bad it's mine. Opened up a portal, walking like a mortal. When they plot my fall, I just give a happy chortle. Laughing at the plans of men, thinking they can take my zen. Joking, play clever like a band. Unicorns and rainbows, building till the pain goes, toppling my silly foes.
Right, that's load number 7.
In the water, dip the poles, layers in the light, invisibles inside. Hide.
And there's a lot of snurkins and perkins over there. So many birds. I found 2 little shags doing their little thingamajig. It's got a lot of wood on it now. I'm gonna go get some more stone now. This is perfect weather. The sun is shining very brightly and the seagulls are loving this wind. So many oyster catchers and little ferry turns. Yeah, they've populated the entire peninsula. Alright, I think this is number 8.
Surrounded by imagining a vivid imagination, excuse for divination, calling my stories fiction, give the hidden good and get an invitation. Once upon a time, in a less than foreign land, there was a pile of stones and a player in a band. A silly little helmet and a silly little crown made of real gold. Secret tunnels in the town.
Well, there's load number 9. A visit from Claire.
Plans of men, thinking that the wind had been. Walking through the wall, I say it was never a sin. Unicorns and rainbows, building till the pain goes, toppling my silly foes. In the water, dip my toes, layers in the light, invisibles inside, hiding in dimensions where the
We have the neighbours pulling a common side effects FBI surveillance setup.
visions are a fright.
That's load number 10.
Men in Halloween, Bentley builds a castle surrounded by imagining vivid imagination, excuse for divination, calling my stories fiction because they didn't get an invitation. I'm building up a castle. If you want, then join me. But if you try to sabotage it, you will pay a steep fee. If you try to own us.
Tide's coming in. Now the seagulls are gathered on the west rock. Right, I got a load of wood. I'm going to transport it to the castle across the ocean.
You will never own us. We were there before time. We are just the owners. Nice to meet you. Hi, my name is Danley. I'll introduce you to my friend. His name's Dimitri. Nice to meet you. Hi, my name's Dimitri. I'll help you build.
The tide looks so low this time that it hasn't even surrounded my tiny little island. So we must have small tides right now. Right, this is load number 12, half stone, half wood.
The walls with nanites in your bloodstream.
Alright everyone, I'm going to head out to the castle and give you guys a little tour before the end of the episode. It's coming along, but very slowly, but eventually we'll get there hopefully. I've been going since the tide was coming in and now the tide's halfway going out. Righty, here we are. The tide is in and it's on its way out, but it's still sort of in. I added this post. I added that post. I found some reinforcing iron just lying on the beach going rusty. All these little gross rust cancers growing on it. There's that. So I've started using sticks to reinforce the stones, kind of like reinforced concrete when you've got little fibers going through it, and it sort of makes it harder to roll around, increases the angle of repose a little bit. And we've got some iron bars, iron pipes that have just washed up on the beach, and using those for reinforcement steel. And as you can see, we can get the stone a lot higher when there's sticks going all through it, because the sticks act kind of like a fiber mesh that hold everything together. And this is sort of got my comfy little seat. The stick pile that was once a windbreak is now just sort of going into the foundations of the castle, so hopefully we'll have a slightly little stronger nest. As you can see, we now actually look down on all the posts except for that one, which is about level with where I am at the moment. You can see around and had a beautiful rainbow over there this morning, but the clouds are gone, so you can't see it anymore. It's an absolutely lovely sunny day. I did 12 loads this morning. I'm yet to have breakfast, so I might go and have breakfast after this. It's getting really windy up here. Yeah, the wind's really picked up and I can feel it. It's drying and freezing me off at the same time. Well, thanks for watching.
Every game I play on the computer, just a trailer. I want the dirt on my shoes, not a save file later. Play the games in real life, I don't need a controller. I've been moving through the field like a king on a motor. Circle the equator, leave a mark where I step. Whole map in my pocket, every corner I rap. No money in the bank, yeah, I burned that script, cause I'm gonna own the banks. Watch the whole thing shift, they talk big online, but they fold in the room. I bring the long view, you just chasing the bloom. I don't wait for it, I make space with my name. When the door starts shaking, you already know the game. White horse, red horse, pale horse, black. Spin out the wine and oil for my enemies' toil. Wrap the whole world in aluminum.
Oh, look at all that stone. There's so much stone. You can see the little wet line of how high the tide comes up, and it barely even scratches the base.
I came too far to play small. Back up, make room. I don't ask twice, I just take call. Every game I play on the computer, just a trailer. Play the games in real life and then circle the equator. No money in the bank, cause I'm gonna own the banks. They want it back, then I send in tanks. No money in the bank, cause I'm gonna own the banks. They want it back, then I send in tanks. Daily now you see that, yeah you don't. Daily like a tornado, take a boat. Daily now you see me, now you don't. Daily, bringing Tonkin's name afloat. I've been drawing my route with a fist on the glass. No shortcut, love me, I just outrun the past. Cold little nods when I walk through the door, then the whole room leans when I ask for more. I don't chase their approval, I erase that doubt. Put my foot on the threshold, let the whole thing out. From the first light beam to the last bell ring, I was built for the pressure, let the hard days sing. If they lock up the gates, I go over the top. If they count me out once, I come back with a lot. I don't need a crown, I need the whole damn board. I want ownership, not the applause from the floor. Helicopter, spin it all around. Take Ukraine with a juggalo crown. Helicopter, fighter jet, spin it all around. Iran and Jerusalem about to get down. Hold that line, watch me move. One step now, one world through. Hold that line, hear me say, I don't come to borrow, I come to take. Every game I play on the computer, just a trailer. Play the games in real life and then circle the equator. No money in the bank, cause I'm gonna own the banks. They want it back, then I send in tanks. No money in the bank, cause I'm gonna own the banks. They want it back, then I send in tanks.